Hello and welcome to another Itinbusiness unboxing video. Today we have the Poly CCX500 media phone. This one is the Teams model, especially designed for use with Microsoft Teams. As you can see, non-retail packaging. This is just pure OEM as it comes from the supplier. So let's take a look inside. No polystyrene, which is always a good sign. Let's see what we have in the bags. Okay, we have the main phone unit itself. It's not too heavy. It's pretty much the entry-level phone in this range. As you can see on the side, it's got connections for USB-C and regular USB. On the back, we've got the power jacks, the LAN in, the LAN pass-through, and the headset, and also the RJ11 for the regular phone handset. It does also have a Kensington lock. Nothing particularly on the other sides. Very minimalistic. The only physical button it has is a mute button, and even that, oh no, that's a touch button here it seems. No, it's not even a physical button. Normal hang-up point and the little clip that you turn around so that if you want it to latch on or not. Normal Polycom handset, nothing unusual there, although it does say, I don't know if you can see that on the camera, HD voice, as this is an HD voice compatible unit. I've got the stand, which is it's a metal stand backed with plastic, so that's probably what gives the phone some weight. And they do include a mini USB cable, a LAN cable, and the RJ11 handset cable. So let's get the stand put in and see how it looks. It doesn't seem to be positional, it just clips in there, so that's it. And it's stand, or with the stand fitted, adds a bit more weight. We'll plug the handset in itself. It's got a little cable way to tidy up or make sure the cable comes out the bottom of the phone, or the side of the phone, should I say. Okay, so that was the unboxing of the Polycom CCX500. In the next video, we'll fire it up and give it a test.